We're making rice tonight at the Kitchen Bravo kitchen. I'm gonna start with 1 cup of brown rice, and I'm gonna rinse it really well to get all the excess starch off of it. The rice is drained and rinsed really well. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in a warm saucepan. All of the rice, and you can hear a sizzle to it, and the sizzle is actually going to go ahead and evaporate off that excess moisture from the grains of rice. I wanna get it nice and toasty. And since this is brown rice, it already has kind of a nutty flavor to it. I want to really enhance it by toasting up all the grains. So I'm going to go ahead and stir it to keep the rice from sticking and to make sure that it dries out really well so I get this lovely hint of extra nuttiness in my rice. Okay, so we know the rice is dry when we don't hear any more sizzling. No more sizzling, and we can smell a lot more nuttiness. So at this point, I want to put a generous pinch of salt in my rice, mix it all in there, and I want to add 2 cups of liquid. So I'm using just plain water. You can use chicken stock, you can use vegetable stock, whatever you like. So I'm going to go ahead and put 2 cups of water in here. Watch it steam up, 1 more quick stir. All right, I'm gonna crank the heat to high, give it a cover, wait for it to come to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, I turn the heat all the way down to low and let it simmer for 45 minutes. 45 minutes has passed and my rice is done to perfection. Look at this, each and every single grain. You can see it hasn't clumped together. This is a perfect brown rice. Just like that. Oh my goodness. Fluffy and nutty. It's absolutely amazing. Okay, so for how to make rice, how to bake a chicken, how to bake a cake, how to make petit fours, you know the place to go. It's Kitchen Bravo. We've got your back. Find us on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Kitchen Bravo.